If your bike is equipped with a Shimano Hollowtech II crankset, you may want to learn how to properly remove and install it. To replace a Hollowtech II crankset, you will need the following tools: 5mm Allen key, crank assembly tool, flathead screwdriver, bike cleaner, degreaser, rags or paper towels. Hollowtech II crankset removal. To remove the Hollowtech II crankset, start by securing the bike on a stand or turning it upside down. If your bike has a front derailleur, shift the chain onto the smallest chainring and carefully remove it from the cogs. Once the chain is out of the way, proceed with removing the left crank arm. The Hollowtech II crank arm consists of several parts. The main body of the crank arm is secured by 2 screws with washers, which hold it firmly in place. The crank arm fixing bolt compresses the chain set, preventing wobbling while allowing it to spin freely. A stopper plate with a locator ensures the crank arm is correctly positioned by dropping into a hole in the axle, preventing it from shifting out of place. A crank O-ring applies pressure to the bottom bracket bearing. Using a 5mm Allen key, loosen the crank arm bolts by turning them anti-clockwise. Next, remove the crank arm fixing screw by turning the Hollowtech II crank arm tool in the same direction. Lift the safety plate located on the crank arm bolts. Then use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the crank arm away, before carefully pulling it off. Finally, gently tap on the crank arm spindle. Then remove it out of the bottom bracket. Hollowtech II crankset installation. Start with cleaning the crank, the arm, and the area around the bottom bracket. Once everything is clean, insert the crank's axle through the bottom bracket from the drive side, making sure that it is fully seated. Then position the chain onto the front chainring. If the stopper plate is not protruding, use a flathead screwdriver to lift it from the outer side. Position yourself on the non-drive side of the bike, then take hold of the right crank arm from underneath the frame and rotate it to the 12 o'clock position. The axle and the crank arm have interlocking splines. There are 2 thicker splines helping to locate the crank into the correct position. You will see a hole on the top of the axle on the non-drive side. Take the left crank arm and carefully slide it onto the axle, ensuring that the slot on the top aligns with the widest spline. Next, take the crank arm fixing bolt and gently screw it into the axle by turning it clockwise. Don't force it, as you may damage the thread. Now, using a Hollowtech II crank arm tool, tighten the bolt by hand until it stops. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could compress the bearings. Next, push the stopper plate into position, ensuring the locator pin fits into its corresponding hole. Finally, tighten the 2 crank arm screws sequentially. If you have a torque wrench, tighten them between 12 and 14 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, just make sure they are tight. And that's it! You can now successfully remove and install a Shimano Hollowtech II crankset. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the tips in this video helpful. I'd love to hear about your experiences with removing and installing a Shimano Hollowtech II crankset, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I really appreciate your support. Whether you're subscribing, liking, commenting, or sharing my videos on social media and forums, every little action helps the channel grow, and I'm incredibly grateful for it. If you're enjoying the content and want to show even more support, consider becoming a channel member. It's a fantastic way to help the channel thrive while getting access to exclusive perks just for you. Joining is easy, just click the link on the screen or in the description below to get started. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.